options, I am using the command hatch edit. So before going to that command, let us draw some objects and let us make a hatch. See, I have drawn some of the objects and I am making hatch. See, I am clicking here and I am picking the internal points of this and I am selecting a type of pattern and I am closing this. So now go to the command line, type hatch edit for hatch edit and press enter. So that hatch edit option will be activated. Select hatch object, it is asking you. Select hatch object which you need to make edit and I am selecting this. After selecting the hatch portion, a dialog box will be opened like this and there are options type and pattern is in defaultly and see 37 and you can also change here by selecting these options and you can also change this by layer or you can also apply any color by selecting this to the pattern and you can also change this to some colors, see, and defaultly it is in 45 degree and you can also make any angle and you can also change the scale, that means the distance, by clicking here. So like that you can change any values in this hatch edit options and make the wanted changes and press, and if you want to preview this option and I'm clicking here, see, it is changing like this and the pattern has changed to the respective values. And if you want, pick or press escape to return to dialog box, or if you want to accept, then right click to accept the hatch. So I don't want to accept but I need to escape from this, pressing escape to get this dialog box, and if you press OK then the items will be like that. I am pressing OK. See, we have given the red colored hatch so that it is applying and we have given some angle 60 degree so that the hatch is applying like this. So in the hatch dialog box, so you can edit each and everything. So I am deleting this by selecting and the hatch and Ctrl A, type press Ctrl A and give the command E to erase all the objects on the screen and press enter. So now I am using the command multi-line edit. Already we have seen the command multi-line. So let us draw multi-lines. Type ML for multi-line and press enter. I am drawing some multi-lines and press enter. So these are multi-lines I have drawn. So now go to the ML edit, type ML edit in the command line, ML edit for multi-line edit and press enter. So that a dialog box will be appeared like this and there is the first option. See what is the first option? Closed cross. So if you just click here, so it will ask you to select first multi-line. M line means first multi-line. So I am selecting this and after selecting then it will ask you to select second multi-line. I am selecting this. So that see, it will be crossed like this. So it is the first option. I am pressing Ctrl Z to go back and press enter and again press enter to activate the last used command. Now there is an option of closed T. If you click here, then it will ask you to select first multi-line. I am selecting this multi-line and again selecting second multi-line. See how it is changed. Closed T, it will become T. And I am pressing Ctrl Z to come back and press enter. Then again press enter to activate the last used command. Now there is a corner joint. If you click here and select first multi-line and second multi-line, so it will become a corner multi-line like this. And I am pressing Ctrl Z and press enter and again enter. And now there is cut single, and if you click this and it is asking you to select multi-line, and I am selecting this. After selecting it, it is asking you to select second point. I am clicking here, so that the multi-line, in multi-line only a single line will be cut. So it is the option. And if you want to do undo, then you can do undo by giving the command U and press enter. Again press enter. Again I am pressing enter. Now there is an option of open cross, and I am clicking here and now selecting the first multi-line and second multi-line. See, there is, pressing Ctrl Z and press enter 2 times. Now open T. If you click here and select the multi-line, first multi-line and second multi-line, see, it will be open T. Pressing Ctrl Z and pressing enter 2 times, and there is an option add vertex, and I am clicking here, and it will be applied to such type of multi-lines. I am clicking here, and if it is asking you to select multi-line. See, it will be added line. So adding vertex means it will be added like this. See, it will be adding. The line will be extending to that vertex point. It is the option, and I am pressing Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Press enter and again press enter to activate the last used command. Now there is an option of cut all, and I am clicking here, and if you click this multi-line and it is asking you to select second point, I am clicking here. So before we have cut a single line, but in this there are how many lines in multi-line? Those lines all will be cut. See, and I am going back, Ctrl Z, press enter 2 times, and there is an option of merged cross. I am clicking here, selecting first multi-line and selecting second multi-line, so that those will be merged. Pressing Ctrl Z, pressing enter and again enter. Now there is a merged T. All options are similar, so if you apply, and I am clicking here merged to, so that selecting first multi-line and selecting multi-line, so that it will be merged T. Pressing Ctrl Z, press enter, again enter. Now there is a delete vertex. So here we have added vertex, and you can delete that vertex point. I am clicking here, and we have applied this to here, delete vertex. I am clicking here, so that points will be deleted. I am deleting. Press enter, again enter, and there is an option of weld all. So before we have cut all, if you cut all, I am selecting to use this cut all option. So I am selecting this multi-line, and it will take as the first point, and it will ask you to select second point. I am clicking here, so that it will be cut. And now I want to join this. So press enter and again enter. So we need to use this option, weld all. I am clicking here, and it will ask you to select multi-line. I am selecting this and press C, and it is also asking second point. I am clicking here, so that multi-line will be added or welded. So it is the option of multi-line edit, and there are different options here. You can also use all these options to a multi-line. It will be applied to only a multi-line. I am pressing escape, and so far we have discussed about editing commands like polyline, hatch edit, polyline edit, spline edit, array edit, multi-line edit. So those commands will also be seen here by going into the modify drop down, and you can see here the option edit polyline. So it is the option edit polyline. So it is the option to edit a polyline. You can also use this by clicking here, and the options are similar to that as I discussed earlier. And there is an option of edit spline, and if you want to edit spline, so you need to click here, or you need to use by clicking here. And there is an option of hatch, how we can edit hatch. So you can also click here, and there is an option array, edit array. So you can also edit array by clicking here. So there are options in the modify drop down. You can also access it directly by clicking there. No change in options, and you can use all the options to a multi-line, to a spline, to a polyline, or you can use to any object.